Please let me in. Okay.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Okay, guys. Crazy morning today. Beytu. Morning, Beytu.
Mirman GC.
Mirman JC. Look at GJ. Look at GJ. Went all the way bearish. GJ. Wow. GJ sells. Thinking for some GJ sells. I'm thinking try against GJ sells. Took a stupid loss here because I took sells here and it pushed through all this. Where is Nikolov? Because he asked me about GJ. There's news. Okay. Very nice. News all day long. Man, this should have been an epic. This should have been epic because we did a fake out, or not a fake out. Actually, it was a break and retest. Went up. Price closed back in the range. Was doing a retest of this major zone. Had to continue all the way down, but unfortunately, GJ came a little too deep. Pushed higher than expected here, and then it got stopped. Yeah, but we'll see. Let me see what news is coming. And let's take a look at this. GBPUSD, what was wrong here? Here I think was nothing wrong. Maybe was there any news that caused this drop? Because technically it looks good. I don't know how Fora looks like, but price did another retest of this 4-hour support, created a small consolidation box or a minor zone, closed above, and this should have been some continuation to fill this range.
Yeah, bro, I took it as well.
So other than this, let me see. GBP US dollar. I don't know. I think this should have been a very good move to the upside.
On the daily, also the last 3 days, they are just like asking for buys.
I don't know. Weird moves on GBP. The news are having their time of the year. Yeah, Brexit. Market construction PMI. This should be low impact. Maybe it's not gonna move that much. Yeah, just like we said, now it's a French official that says no deal. Now there's gonna come another German or Italian or who knows. I mean, every week one of them comes, says no deal. The other one says it's gonna be a deal. The other one says then after it's not gonna be a deal. So we're getting used to these kind of things. Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. Nick. I don't know. Maybe I'd like some more rejections on Euro US dollar because even when there's a lot of rejection, and I still don't trust it that much. So imagine at this current position here, current price level. I think I'm gonna skip Euro USD. I think I'm gonna skip. Wow, EJ was nice. Why we didn't take this? Or we were too late? What do you think? You're a CAD. You're a CAD. You're a CAD. I don't know. There's too many levels. Too many levels. Can we take a look at my chart here? You're a CAD. EJ daily was bad.
Yeah, daily was like doing a
Yeah.
retest.
True. I see now. You're a CAD. You're a CAD. You're a CAD. I mean, there's a good resistance. We've had a lot of rejections before. Price couldn't break. When it did, made a retest, went all the way up. This may be just a minor zone if you compare to this now. So maybe should be good for some more continuation. Even though after it created some resistance here. Coming from that zone, I don't know how to. Let's take a look at 4 hour. Yeah, looks like on the 4 hour we can't really find this a zone. So the best zone is the one that we have. Looks like more of a major zone here. If you compare it to these others on the left, which can be all minor zones. EA, we'll see. Your CAD, 4 minutes left. I mean, it looks good. I don't know why this shouldn't work out. Maybe because of the daily, but it passed the daily. Even though on the daily it's hard to decide which level where to put your support because it's a mess. Too many big wicks, and on the 1 hour we have a good level. Also the 4 hour is pretty much the same. I don't know. I don't see much on your CAD. Okay. Okay, we do have this, but it's still there's still more room to go to that. Even on where candles are closed, there's still more room, like another 10 pips. I mean, I think we still got some more room to push. EA, let's take a look if EA is better. EA is better or not. Thing is with EA right now. Yeah, EA looks good actually. EA looks good. I don't know. I mean, when it comes for retest here, when this comes for retest, we can reject here and we can come a little lower. So we're gonna see where it comes. Maybe I'd like to take EA better or your CAD. If you look at it, I mean, your CAD is better as a setup because we have good resistance here. First candle did reject. See, first candle did reject here. Then this one is breaking above. These all got rejected before. When it did this breakout, did the retest, respected the zone. Got rejected, and when it did break up, created support continuation. Now same thing can happen again here. And we have a pretty good range to the upside here. Even if we don't fill the whole range, I mean, we got a 30 pip range. But the breakout is going to be 7 pips. Good, not bad. I don't know, we'll see. We got to make a decision here. Let's see, can you check EA on the 4 hour? Yeah. EA on the 4 hour? EA always has to be coming from another zone. There's so many zones in between. I mean, look, if we look at EA, we're gonna find 100 levels every 10 pips. But lately I have to review EA, do some back testing maybe, because if we look too much left on EA, we're gonna find too many zones. And right now it is doing something else, right? It has created a new zone, so we have to see the options if it rather this respect the new zones more or the old zones. Because if we look too much on the left, there are plenty of zones, and we're not going to be able to take a trade. Your cat did break 7 pips above. 7 pips above. Let's see. EJ. EJ is done. I don't see anything on EJ right now. GU close below. I'm not sure to take GU. I'd rather take GJ, but still doesn't have a very good close. I don't know if I trust it yet. I don't know. Just all these kind of read moves are keeping me away from GBP right now. CAD JPY. We might have some continuation on CAD JPY here. We have this range to fill. We had a 4-hour retest. The only thing I like here, if we had a close above, that would be the best here. It looks like all GBP pairs broke below supports. But look, the thing is, on the 4 hour they're all at support right now. They're all at support. We have to stay away still. We have to stay away. Not gonna trust it right now. I mean, GJ might still continue to the downside. But not even this push to downside was not good. Like a better close. This might be a retest of this minor zone now. And more downside. What do you guys think? Daily rejecting. 4 hour is not that clear. It's not that clear. 1 hour close below this minor support. I don't know. We have a lot of rejections also at this level. Yeah, we can wait for the 4 hour also. But God knows what's gonna happen to then. Another hour on GBP, who knows? EA flying, yes it is. No retest at all. Can we still take it if it comes? That is a good question. It has moved already 10 pips. It has also already almost filled the range. And I know that it's going to be too risky whenever it comes. Your CAD also the same, no pullback at all. 7 pips move. GCAD is coming back again. See 4 hour. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna delete GCAD for now because it's not doing anything. Chart is a mess. Chart is a mess. Oh, Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Welcome. GU. Yeah, we're talking about GU, but I'm skipping it because of 4 hour. 1 hour, yes, 1 hour is good, but I'm skipping it because of this. I'd rather wait for the 4 hour breakout. It looks too risky right now. We're at this major support here, and 4 hour would be a better confirmation probably. UJ is retesting, but have you seen UJ's breakout first of all? Because it's the weakest ever, I think. See, 3 pips, and it's not even a breakout. If you look left, we have all these candles closing below this level, and you have this here. So what does that mean? You're in between two zones. What's the best way to trade UJ here is a close above both a retest, then some continuation. GJ has a better chance of continuation than GU. I think GJ is better. But even on GJ, I don't know. I don't see a very clean setup. So they're gonna wait. Still have to wait. AUD CAD is a mess. Lucky country. AUD CAD is a mess. I'd rather skip it. Look, still at support. CAD JPY, nothing. When I look at CAD JPY, look at the 4 hour. Yesterday, on the same level that we had yesterday, It is today also. And this nice 4-hour breakout, this nice retest, this should continue to this next zone. And I would rather take buys here on CAD-JPY. The only problem is that we didn't have a good close above this. Even though I still think we're gonna have some continuation. Maybe a small pullback around here. And once this turns bullish, we're going all the way up to this next level here. I think that's just a matter of time. But was CJ a buy? CJ was perfect. This is perfect. Was perfect because now it's gone. Yeah. So first time it did a breakout, it did a retest, went up. Then it got rejected all the way down, which was also 4-hour rejection. Then you got a 4-hour breakout, which is a double confirmation for you. Did a retest and continuation. So, I mean, I don't know if there's a better setup than this. This was perfect. It's a classic break and retest setup. What can we do here is also a 4-hour retest on your CAD. That can be also an option. But it might take a while. This might take a while. Look guys, today is Friday, right? So no need to rush, okay? No need to rush, so we have plenty of time. If no, the link is wrong. GBP US dollar. Yeah, current system. We just talked about GBP US dollar. There was nothing wrong here actually. It was a pretty good setup. So this happened because of Brexit news. That can be only reason. Your CAD 4-hour retest here can be very nice. Look at last time what happened here. We had a breakout, a retest, flew all the way up. So you can have the same thing again. Oh man, I feel like GJ is getting ready to drop. What about EU buys? I don't know. I don't like EU right now. I think taking EA maybe can still be a good idea, even though we have a lot of zones on the left. No, we have to wait. We have to wait. The news on USD and CAD are all the way in the next 4 hours. In 4 hours, we gotta be done with the trade in 4 hours. GJ, turning bearish. It's about to melt. Uh, can't come all the way down. Wick fill. If it goes below this, also 400 might come all the way to 200. So let's see. What do you got for us, Beitu?
Again, said?
What do you have for us?
I don't have nothing, man. I just lost 2 trades today, each 1%. So I don't think that I'll rush in any trade.
No rush, no rush.
Yeah, unfortunately lost 2 trades, GU and GJ.
Yeah, both were good and both were destroyed by the news.
Exactly, yeah.
You'll get a good one. Just no need to rush right now. You have to find a good one now to make a comeback. Euro GBP is going very good. I don't trade Euro GBP, very sorry. But I don't trade Euro GBP. Congrats to you. We talked about UJ. Maybe a clear breakout about this can be very good. Unless that happens, I don't know. We can still continue down. Who knows? Let's delete everything here. Let's go on a daily. Daily doesn't give me that much. Looks on daily looks like a key level 104.500. You know, if it breaks that, can be a very nice trade. Right now on UJ you have to wait, because this zone needs to be cleared with a good breakout, and after that you'll see. GBP, JPY. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe something like that. Thing is, next hour we're gonna have a 4-hour breakout too, if a breakout happens. So we'll see how the 4-hour closes. If we have a good 4-hour close below, then we might look to enter some sells. Can I compound a $100 account using a trading system and same time frame? Maybe you can, I don't know. I just know that break and retest is pretty consistent, and you can do a lot of things with it. still waiting. Is he in any trade? No, he's not. He's not in any trades right now. Still searching. Searching for the golden setup. Searching for that golden setup coming up. Even though we usually backtest on the simulator's soft effects, or how it's called. Do we have anything on Aussie dollar? Yesterday Aussie dollar went pretty nice. Today we are getting rejected again. Who knows, we might have a breakout which we can take maybe next hour. What time frame is your entry, Tufa? What time frame is your entry time frame? 1 hour. 1 hour and 1 hour. Yeah, so from what I see and what is coming, your CAD can give us a 4-hour retest and nothing else. We'll see what happens. I saw a stream and seeing this is the same analyst. I saw a stream yesterday about this. Who's the same analyst? Maybe
Mr.
I was.
Sanders.
Maybe I was yesterday also. Maybe because we do it every day. Will you change broker or keep a reduction in leverage? Changes to margin closeout, negative balance protection, or sense? Well, we'll see what change is going to be. I use Pepperstone, so I see markets not a very big deal if they make changes. They made changes before, that's why I switched. So we'll still have Pepperstone. $500 to $30. Yeah, we know that news. It's been coming for a while. We'll see. I mean, there's gonna be plenty of there are plenty of other brokers. It's not just IC Markets or Pepperstone. Still gonna have options to choose. CAD JPY is a buy. It's uncertain right now what's gonna happen in the next few minutes. Would you trade One third, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I mean, can we make money with that? Who knows? Maybe I would if I don't have another choice. If I don't have another choice, who knows? I mean, you can trade also with no leverage at all, but not gonna be able to make a lot of money. Yeah, I mean, open a account and take some trades, try, see how it goes. Yeah, of course. Low leverage is good for people who can't, really control their risk management. So it makes you more disciplined, I think. You become more disciplined because you're not going to be able to go full margin. I mean, it helps actually. But that low, I don't know who's going to trade with that. Maybe, I mean, if you have a very big account, for those people, maybe it's still good, but for people with small accounts, it's not going to be a good option. GU is clear break and retest, but also GU is also on the 4-hour support here, so it's very risky. We can see fake outs easily. Let's see. Right now we don't have much news coming up. It's all low impact until New York session where we get some high impact news. We have NFP today. We'll see what's gonna happen. If we're gonna have a good move today or not, because the NFPs lately have been lame. Nothing much on them. What news site are you using, my friend? My friend, I'm using myfxbook.com. Do you do live webinars in the Market Simplicity? Yeah, this is a live webinar. We do a lot of live webinars every day. No worries, friend. EU, I said before, EU, I don't like it. Even if breakout's gonna happen, it meets another hour. And then you're gonna have to wait a lot for a good move. Then price might act a bit different because NFE is coming. So we don't know the behavior might change before the news. So we'll see what happens. Other than this London session, simulator sessions. We do simulator session. New York session, we don't stream New York session 2. Usually it's not needed. We trade in the group. And if GU close above the zone result of fake 1-hour adjustment 4-hour, can we look for buys? I don't know, actually, I don't know. I mean, where do you want to close first? Because it's been rejecting also around here. So we're in between zones, it seems like, and it's not a setup, a good setup for a fake out setup, you know. So uh, we'll see about that. I think I'm not gonna take anything. Uh, what I would take is a close on GJ above this, above 900. Maybe I would give it a shot to the upside, but right now I don't know. Nick, yeah, we'll see about this. Not clear. Will you assume the 1 million challenge this weekend? I don't know. Maybe, but we already did resume the challenge, 1 million challenge, the previous weekend with my group. I don't know what we're at. Forgot where we at. I think we're closer now. Let me take a look. Let me take a look here. Yeah, we're at 200K. We are at 200K. Another 800K to make. Maybe in 2 weeks we'll do it. In another 2 weeks. You're gonna do the trading not trader challenge. What is that? Look guys, we can't say January, February it's gonna be bad, it's gonna be good. You know, every year is different. You can't say. Like 2 years ago was not that good, but last year was pretty good. We had some nice movements. I can't say it's gonna be good or bad. So all we gotta do is wait and see how it's gonna do it. Let's experience it, and you get to see what happens December. But every year is different. Look, last year we didn't have COVID. Now we do. There are a lot of things that have changed. So you can't say the same thing is going to be again here. EJ seems a double top. Can we sell now? No. Who told you to sell on a double top? Is making you risk too much, because there's no confirmation selling on a double top. You know, all these double tops and these can come in hand in a different way. In a different way. How? Let's say price is in a consolidation, right? It's in consolidation. Or let's say like this. Price came at resistance, dropped. So that's one rejection. Created a support here, right? And starts to push again and still can't break and pushes all the way down. Does some rejections here, some consolidation, goes all the way to the downside, breaks the support, you take the retest, you go to the next zone. And it's a double top too, so that can be another confirm for you. But you always gotta wait for zones to break, and then a retest, and then some continuation. But just because it touched 2 times doesn't mean that it's gonna drop. Maybe it's gonna break, who knows? You never know that. It's a risky way to trade. Selling high, buying low, all these kind of things. In Euro CAD trade buy, what are your thoughts? Well, we need to see your chart, see where did you enter, why did you enter, and see, give our thoughts, because I don't know. Right now, I can't see your chart. Sir, GJ is not a sell and not a buy. What is this trade and not challenge? Well, I don't know. I think it's like you show your strategy. You take a challenge. You call trades like what's price gonna do? You explain your strategy basically. That's an easy challenge for me, I think, because I do it live every day. I do it live, so there, doing it there would be an easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you, what about NU? NZD US dollar. NZD US dollar has support right now here. What if it breaks? Let's go to the 4 and see if this support is good, not bad. If we go on the 4 hour, we had a few rejections before. Price did respect the zone. When we had this breakout, we had the retest. This time here, there was some kind of news, right? I remember. And then still respect the zone. Then we had this break to the downside. Came for retest, we got rejected. Good sign. Now, what happened here, we're getting rejected a bit. But if we get a breakout like this, then this can be pretty good. But NFP is coming. So the more time it takes, the riskier it's going to be, because coming close to the news. NFP impacts gold, of course it does. It impacts gold, USD, especially gold. David, you asked GBP CHF, but David, man, How many times I told you that I don't trade GBP CHF? But okay, I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna do it for you, my friend. Not gonna ignore you, and I'm gonna tell you that I don't like GBP CHF at all. GBP CHF is very known for fake outs, just like this one. See, let's find a fake out. Of course, we can find a fake out. Price did a breakout, came for retest at this zone, turned in a fake out, closed back in the range, did a retest. Let's find another fake out here on GBP CHF. Okay, let's see. Here we had a breakout, a retest, but the zone's all over. Deep retest, it's not good to trade. The end is not good to trade. That's all. Also, look at all this. Do you want to trade a pair that does all this consolidation? And remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. This is crazy. It's been let me check here. That's 47 days. That's like 2 months of consolidation, no breakout. So imagine that. Just skip GBP CHF. It's not a good pair to trade. You have way better pairs. Yeah, GBP can be volatile. It can, and I don't trust anything on GBP. How to find out fake outs effectively? Well, without having a breakout, you're not going to have a fake out. So you need a breakout to have a fake out. And a fake out, I've explained them a lot of times. Usually when price comes from another zone, there's high chance of fake out. When breakouts happen from the news, there's high chance of fake outs. These kind of things. If we had a consolidation zone and a middle zone in between, can we trade after breaking retest of middle zone? Yes, we can. Sometimes we cannot. But if the consolidation box is very big, you can trade the middle zone too. But if the whole consolidation box is 20 pips, then you don't trade the middle zone. NFP is a simple thing. If you want me to explain NFP, there's no need. You just go to Google and you see non-farm payroll. So when you go to non-farm payroll, you see this, right? So what does non-farm payroll means is the measure of number of workers on US excluding farm workers and all these kind of things. So why is it important and all these kind of things, and this happens every month. If you don't know about NFP, you're probably pretty new, so you have to go and search for it. Oliver, yes, there's a problem with PayPal on the website, so you have to message me because I don't know, PayPal is stupid. EA might be coming now. Is it safe to take it? Uh, yeah, right now I don't think so, because it already came here. It pushed before, so Earcat also seems like coming from another zone. But the 4 is pretty good. I don't know, to be honest. We'll see what happens. I mean, if we have a good 4-hour breakout here, can easily have a retest here and continuation. Stop loss can be below this. Can be a nice trade. But your CAD on the daily is a mess. I don't trust anything right now. Loki, just go do some back testing on NFP days. And on when NFP is released, you'll see how big the movements can be. And DJ is going crazy, ladies and gentlemen. DJ is going crazy. This is why I should stay away, and we did good because there's a lot of things happening right now. GBP JPY is a sell, sir. No, it's not. I said this 100 times until now. Don't, don't yet. Just wait, because we're not safe right now. We are having a lot of news. CAD JPY has turned bullish. Time to go to the next zone. GBP is so weak now. I don't know, then why is it pushing? Rashik, my friend, GBP right now is not very stable. It's not very stable. Having a lot of news and no, not a certain direction yet. A lot of consolidation. Right now, it's getting some strength, some crazy strength. And the good thing is we might break above this, but when it comes for retest, the break from news is risky. But you know, if we got a good breakout, why not? Why not? Because it's a 4-hour, and a 4-hour break and retest doesn't disappoint most of the time. Strong, no worries, no worries. I knew that you did a mistake. You just wrote something else. Carlos, you saw GJ pushing and you came. Welcome. GBP is funny. GBP is funny. Every time we gotta deal with these kind of things on GBP. Like, it's been so long. Every time we can expect a crazy move.
Why not in our favor, bro? Why not in our favor?
Beto. No worries. It's on our favor most of the times. But sometimes gotta be against us.
Yeah, just a little upset, you know. Man, whatever. 5 weeks, 5%. Sad. Every
Look,
week,
Beto. We
1%.
have 5 weeks. If it comes to last 3 days, just give me the account. I'll pass it in 2 hours.
I'll trust you, man. I'll take you by your word.
Okay. Remember, last 2 3 days, he haven't passed it. Just send the login to me. Is there a falling eagle wing pattern? I don't know. Looks like a giraffe pattern. Big neck forming. What if there are no setups? If there's no setups, you go and take some sleep, or I don't know, just go somewhere. No trade, no setup, no trade means you gotta go and do something else. Cause not every day you get good setups. Yesterday, all the way to the end of the day, no, to the end, middle of the day, we had the best setup ever. Like GU was perfect yesterday. GU was perfect yesterday. This was our trade yesterday, by the way. If you guys didn't see it, perfection. Perfection. We'll see. We'll have to wait. We have now 10 minutes. GBP is pushing. I don't know if we can trust it. 4 hour can be a breakout, but also can be a small breakout, which can make things harder. And UK trade deal imminent, expected by the end of the weekend. Yeah. Some gaming would be nice. Maybe better I start playing some games here while I wait. Look at my stats here. Win win loss win win. So I had like 5 wins in a row. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Last 7 games I had 6 wins. Pretty nice. Decent. I mean, it's just I'm not very good at it yet, because getting used to it. I missed GU yesterday. Could you send in trade calls room? Yes, I can. Yesterday I was actually driving, and everyone was taking it, so I don't know how you didn't sound. Like everyone was GU, 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 in. We all said we're in. But yeah, I will take it to the trade call room. I was just driving yesterday, couldn't.
I heard someone didn't take it.
Yeah. Some people missed it. Like Beto. Oh, Beto, what did you miss yesterday? What finished the challenge yesterday?
Bro, missing yesterday, losing today.
See, this is why
Someone,
you have to take all or not take any.
yeah, someone don't want me to win, you know. But I'm gonna win more.
No, well, we have plenty of time. Plenty of time. And Georgie got in half. Why, man? Why? Because GU was perfect. CJ short. Why CJ short? What is the reason? What was the reason? And it's gone. So probably what we're gonna do here is just go and close the charts because we're not getting anything.
ECAT maybe?
Your cat. 4 hour? Maybe. EU is out of my list. GCAT is out of the list too. I deleted it. It's a mess. Your cat maybe. We have some cat news coming up, but they're in 3 hours. So if you guys think that in 3 hours we're gonna get the move, let's take it. But if it takes too much, time, we're gonna get closer to the news, which then can do some crazy things. EA. We talked about EA. We talked about it, and we have a conclusion that we're not gonna take it because it already touched the next zone. Your cat also did hit this level. On the 4 hour, you don't see much. You see this level. If you go and try to find a resistance or support on the 4 hour, where would you do it? Here?
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot about this.
Oh no.
No,
Oh no.
let's just close the chart.
No, 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 no. Yeah, I'm done, bro. 2 losses. It's fine.
Yeah, I mean for you, Bay too. Maybe just come back next week. Cause
Yeah.
what if you take another loss? Like 3 in a row would be pretty hard to deal with. Like I did take 3 in a row last. Where was that? Previous last month. Last 2 weeks. Or no, that I came all the way down from 5% with 3 losses in a row. I mean, I got some nice trades in a row then after, and now we're back again. But it's much more harder to come back after. So better just leave this next trade for a new day. Just even if it's gonna be a loss on the next day, it's gonna be much easier to deal with. But taking another one day would be just too much maybe.
Yeah. What do you think about the percentage of risk next week?
Well, you went to risk more than I said to you now. Now you broke the rules.
Which one?
You risked to 1%
Yeah, yeah.
in both trades.
Unfortunately, bro, you said it's gonna melt, and I was like, damn, let's
But
let's sell that thing.
I told you 0.50 until time comes. You have plenty of time. 0.50, 0.50, you make some consistent ones here and there, any loss, but you go to like 3% maybe in 1 or 2 weeks, uh, or 2 3, then you can start to use a bigger risk. But look, you still have time, so no, don't worry.
Yeah, I'm
Asiad,
not worrying. I'm
what
not
do you
worrying.
think of GU?
GU, I don't know, Ash, I don't know. First
And
of all,
Euro
the move
USD as well?
the move is from the news. The move is from the news. 4 hour is looks like a rejection. 4 hour looks like a rejection. 1 hour it closed above this, but it doesn't really mean that much. And we know
On
that.
Euro
Yeah,
USD, 4 hour closed above.
yeah, it closed above, but it's not enough for me. This zone is not enough for me. And for the breakout, I don't know, maybe it's enough. Like 5 pips, not bad. But no, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm gonna have to wait because we're getting closer to the news. Might start to move weird. I would better just skip this. I don't trust it. And GBP news, if you read the PDF and if you heard us what we've been saying, when breakout happens because of the news, there's pretty good chances of fake out, and I've seen that a lot of times. So it would be too risky to trade GBP. Uh, EuroCAD, EuroCAD was my choice, but we're at this resistance here, unfortunately, and we might have that might create some problems for us there. CNZD US dollar, did it break? No, got rejected. Uh, Look, SD US dollar looks better. We're in between these two zones. If we break to the upside or to the downside, both can be good. This can be a good trade because if SD US dollar close above this, we have a free range to the upside here, almost 20 pips. There's no zone on the left here. It's clean to the upside. If we break below, we have a clean range all the way to the downside to this level. It's not very big, but 12 pips, 10 pips might be enough. If it comes all the way to down to this support, we might even continue more. So we can get a good deal on both ways here. It's just a matter of time now. But the more it takes to break, the closer we get to NFP, which is not a good thing.
Bro, I'm leaving. I'm calling in the day here. Not over trading, not ruining everything. Staying in between the rules and coming back next week.
KB2, good choice. Good
Take care,
choice.
bro.
Have a nice day.
Thank
Enjoy
you
the
very much.
weekend.
Thank you very much. See you next week.
See you on the weekend, maybe. Look, GCAT, GCAT, GCAT. What should I check here? A resistance? Another one. Another one around here. I mean, what are you thinking, my friend, on GCAD? Thank you for your stream and I appreciate what you do here. Thank you too. My pleasure. Well, just heard guy got banned from Olympics. What happened? Walcott, I have no idea what you're talking about. No idea what you're talking about, man. Give me more info. Can we buy GCAD? No, because there's too many zones in GCAD. Right now it's at resistance, if you don't see it. Right now it's at a resistance. We have a support here. We broke above this, but we just have even a bigger zone above. So I would stay away probably. Right now I would stay away. See you Malte. Have a nice day. I think I'm gonna be out too. I don't see anything right now. I don't see anything right now. It's a mess. Nothing really happening right now. GJ didn't break. Maybe later on, if we break, we can take this. Like GU yesterday. If it happens, why not? But we'll see. If the breakout's gonna be from the news, it's not a good thing. Yeah, not much. Not much, guys. We'll see, guys. I think the best is to leave right now because we don't have anything, and it's Friday, so we gotta take it easy. If we find something during the day, then okay. But right now, I don't see anything. There's no breakouts, and it's not worth it to wait for another hour in front of a screen right now. So better do something, eat some food, and then go back to the charts 10 minutes earlier, see if you get anything. If not, then you gotta take it easy. NFP is gonna come soon, and the markets can be a bit wild. So yeah, have a nice weekend. Thank you everyone for this week. It was a good week, pretty good week actually, and we got some good trades. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend. YouTube, have a nice weekend, and my students, my best students, see you on the chat. We'll see if we get something else. We'll talk on the group. New York session is long. Maybe, who knows, during the day we get something. For now, take care and see you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care. Thank you. Have a very, very nice weekend.